Hello friends, welcome to Technical and Programming AK. In today's video, we will see how to install Windows 7 in VMware Workstation Pro. So just open VMware Workstation. So this is it. So in previous video, I had shown how to install Ubuntu 64-bit and I have made a total series on it. I have made 3 videos, that is first on Windows 10, then Kali Linux and then Ubuntu 64-bit, and this is the 4th video. In this video I will show you how to install Windows 7 in VMware Workstation. So just click on next and select Microsoft Windows 7 64-bit. Okay. Just wait a minute, let's see what I have a Windows 7 Lite edition, but that's a 32-bit, so I'll choose 32-bit and click on next. That's enough. Next, virtual memory, I'll give some 2 GB virtual memory. Next. I will give 20 GB for this. Just finish it. So we have done the initial configuration. Now we will give the ISO file to it. Just browse the ISO file. So I have this Windows 7 Lite edition. Okay, and just power on the virtual machine. So here we are. Now start with the Windows 7 installation. It will load some files. I have Windows 7 Lite edition, so it's looking like it's installing Windows 10, but don't worry, the installation process will always remain the same. So I have Windows 7 Aero Blue Lite edition. Okay, click on next. Now I am installing in it VMware. If you are installing it in the physical hardware, then you have to format the drive and make some partitions if you want, but for VMware you can just click on next and it will start the installation. This installation will be fast enough as I have this Lite edition. So if you want this Lite edition, then the link is given in description. Don't forget to go on that link, and don't forget to watch other videos in our series on Windows 10, Kali Linux and Ubuntu. So it's installing, it's pretty faster. So after this, files are getting ready and the installation is yet to begin. Actually, it's just keeping it files ready. So just be calm and patient and sit back and wait until it completes the installation. So it has done 56%, and you can also watch other videos on our channel. We have uploaded many technical videos, and just like, if you haven't yet subscribed, just subscribe the channel, and don't forget to like, share and also comment, and you can comment that on what we should make new videos. And we will try to make videos on your suggestions, so please comment. And also, if you like this video, just click that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, just subscribe it. So this will take a little bit of time, not much time, but some little bit of time. It has done 83% and it's doing Okay, it's going 85%. After this installation, I will show you how to make Windows 7 full screen by installing the VMware tools. So stay tuned and watch this video until the last. So it's installing Windows 7 AeroBlue. Okay, so it has done half of the work. It is installing the updates. It has done it, and now it will be finishing, and it's restarting. Oh, it completed before my expectation. It was too fast, as it is a light edition, but the installation process remains same in each and every Windows. So it's starting Windows. So this is the Windows 7 boot logo, and it's starting the Windows. After the start, we will install the VMware tools, which will make it a full screen. So it has started. It's starting services. If you have any problem, you can just comment below. It's completing now. Wait until it completes the installation. Installation is being in progress. So it will take a little bit of time to install. So it's doing its installation, taking some time, but be patient. So it has done the installation and it's restarting. I had paused the video until then, and now it's showing Windows, starting Windows. So it has completed the installation successfully. Windows, see this arrow below, setup is preparing your computer for the first use. Just wait until it finishes. It will not take a lot of time, but it will be done. So it's checking the video performance. So if you have a genuine Windows 7 means not an arrow blue, so it will not show this like this. So now it's asking for a username. So I will type in AK Technical. And click on next. So type in the password which you want to keep it. So just type in your password. So use recommended settings, click on it, and it's automatically detect what's the date and time, and click on next. Right now I have no network, so I'll click on home network. Now it's finalizing your settings, and here we go. It's now welcoming us. Okay, it's loading. Preparing your desktop. So it has come to an end. It will soon start, so just wait for it to start. So it has started. It is running some commands right here, so I'll just minimize them. Okay, so it's installing Windows Loader. Okay. So this is the AeroBlue edition. Just we will install some VMware tools. Install VMware tools. Install. Just go in my computer. And click on VMware tools. And it's preparing VMware tools for installation. Just wait for it to install. it's preparing to install, and it will be installed very soon. Till then, just refresh. Okay, click on next. Typical installation, next. Wait until it just completes its installation. After that, the screen will become full. So it is installing all the drivers necessary for it, and it has done, and we have got the full screen. So this is how we can get the full screen. And now just click on finish, and it will ask for the restart, so I'll restart. But till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Technical and Programming AK, and please click the bell icon for the getting notification of the upcoming new videos. So bye.